Welcome in. Pause this for a moment and think about which opener, which deck of cards resonates with you. All right, so group 1. Here we have Justice, 11, beautiful, weighing the heart. Matters of the heart coming in. 10 of spades, 10 of swords. Some of you are going through a sudden loss, sudden change. We can see it here symbolically. That moth could destroy what you're working on, but sometimes if you set things free, it lightens your heart. And here we have the inner temple. Devotion, tuning in to the temple of your heart and soul is really called for to get through the sudden change that you've been through, and developing daily practices that really fulfill your soul and heart will bring you great peace as you try to lighten your heart, bring in happiness through the grief. Group 2, let's flip these over. The Hermit in reverse, 9, you're blocked, emotionally blocked, you're not making progress. And the Queen of Spades shows that, you have no patience for people who aren't being real, and you're calling a spade. So there's probably been some conflict. You feel like a pincushion with a little bit of that last straw going on there. Just that last prick really hurt. Prick of the pen. And you get Hermana, which is the Celtic word that does mean journey. And if you really can't take a trip to get away from this, go deep into your soul. Understand how to approach the conflict with grace and love. Leadership of a queen. And that will bring you more patience and solitude and a sense of comfort in your heart. Group 3, let's see, we have 2 of swords. So there's a stalemate, blocked emotions. You need more give and take. You need to think about what's in your heart. And here we have the 3 of Pentacles. So more cooperation is needed. More creative ideas. Decisions need to be made. And from that, we see here, a lot like the 2 of Swords, but it's blending together now. There's more cooperation. There's movement. There's cohesiveness coming in. Certainly communication is key with the 2 of Swords. And here we have the Great Gathering. Your soul really needs the support of those around you who are like-minded individuals. You need your soul tribe. It is the medicine for you, and actually you are the medicine for them. So whatever this is, bring your friends and support around you for a better way forward. Thank you so much for being here with me. I love you. Could you give me a like and subscribe? It means the world. See you soon. Peace.